Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create hugging each other video editing with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, video.studio. Once you have found this website, you can visit this website and we're going to use this website to create hugging each other video. Okay, I'm just going to click on try video. Make sure you have logged into this website to use this website to create a video. And here I have logged in guys. And then I'm going to select image to video. Okay, and you need to prepare the image you want to make them hug. I'm going to upload my image right here. This is for the first image. And this is for the second image. I'm just going to pick a random image from here. Okay, and then you can click on confirm. Okay, and then we can type in the prompt. I'm going to type in make them hug each other. Okay, then you can select the duration right here, but we can only select 4 seconds because I'm just a free user. If you want to select 8 seconds, you need to subscribe to video. Then I'm just going to click on create. Okay, and we need to wait for a moment guys. The AI will generate hugging each other video for us. Okay guys, and now the video has been generated and I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, this is the result. Alright, and that's all the way to create hugging each other video with AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.